Hello and happy new year. It's our year 2022, the year of the gathering clouds. And I'm so excited. This is Rhapsody Clicks and it's the very first episode of this year. This year, I want you to make up your mind that you're going to live the authentic Christian life. And what kind of a life is that? It's a life of victory. God has given you victory in Christ Jesus. Victory over everything. As you read today's Rhapsody realities, you're going to discover that more than ever before, the life is spiritual. And there are two keys, two principles that you can use to maintain your victory in Christ Jesus. If you're not yet a sponsor with Rhapsody Realities, start your year by becoming a partner with us. Click on the link. Happy New Year. God bless you. Love you.